Hello there, beautiful soul. This is the Angel Lady Terry Marie, and it is a beautiful day here in El Paso, Texas. It is overcast. It is cool. It's rainy. Oh my goodness. So, last night, just a quick story. Last night was the first of 2 sessions for my recent Angel Dream Team licensed coach client. A lot of words, right? So she's licensed to now use my materials and teach Angel Dream Team to her clients. Fast forwarding a little bit, she asked me if I would be willing to mentor her for angel reading. Now, she's taken online classes before from others, read books, and has been practicing readings on herself for probably about a year, 6 months to a year. And I said, yes, of course. So we'll do 2 sessions. These are private for her at the moment. And it was so successful last night, and she'll have her second session next week, Thursday. She said that she learned so much in 1 hour with us working together. Now, us means her angels and mine, of course, right? So what did we do? We went through what it is she does know how to do. She did a practice reading, and then her homework was very specific. It is about how to read the cards more than just the words. It is so much more than that. And then I posted this morning, when a client says, hey Joe, when a client says, I learned so much in an hour with you, and I've been reading books and studying, and I feel so much better. You need to teach this. And I went, okay, I guess that's a cosmic angel nudge. If you're interested, and there are some issues that I need to get over in my head as far as the logistics technically, because this would be online, and I'm used to doing it in person. Now, to me, it doesn't matter if it's tarot or angel cards. I think we could mix the both, because the technique that I have used in the past, and yes, I've taught both tarot successfully and angel card reading. This is, maybe, 6, 7 years ago, maybe, somewhere around 6 or 7 years ago. And all of my clients, all of my students, all of our students went away with knowing how to give readings. Now, this is whether they wanted to do a business, to give others reading and get paid, or just for themselves, friends, and family. Thank you, Joe. So, all I'm asking you to do, because I don't know how many sessions yet, I don't know what the fees are. There will be recordings of the sessions. It would be best if you could come live. Don't have to, but it would be best. I think we might have a Facebook group. So I'm getting this as I'm talking with you right now. There will be a workbook. So you'll get the PDF workbook of what to do, how to do, and some different things. What angel cards, what tarot cards? Ones you already have. So, and if you don't have any yet, then go ahead and, as we get closer and you decide yes, to go and get a set of cards, one word at a time, guys. A set of cards that you enjoy, that you resonate with, okay? Now, is it just for beginners or intermediate? And what I mean by intermediate or advanced, you've already been doing with this. I don't know that it's going to matter, because I have had different levels of experience in the classes that I've taught before, and it went very well. So I just have some, techie things to work out. It would be by video workshop or video webinar, that's for sure. But how y'all will interact with each other and practice on each other, I need to figure that part out first before we move forward with this. So if you're interested, in the comments, please type in angel or tarot. You could even type in the word both, because you would learn the same techniques for each. It's how I taught myself. I did take a formal tarot class, maybe 14 years ago now. And I never looked at the book. I don't look at the angel card books now. That's one way how Joe, you can use fairy cards. Absolutely. You can use any kind of cards. Fairy cards, mermaid cards, tarot cards, angel cards, ascended master cards, goddess cards. The technique, the tools, the tips, the strategies, if you want to call them that I teach. Workshop is one day. I don't know yet, Anne, and just, when I get inspiration or when I get nudged by my guides, I just go ahead and I'm going to move away from the little barking dog. I just do the channeling right in the moment. So this is pretty much a, do y'all want this? Do you want a one day where we take a break or two? Do you want it like in a weekend, like a day and a half? Thank you, Luann. Do you want it like 90-minute workshop sessions where we do some work and then maybe a week later or a couple of days later, so you have time to practice and really work on some of the homework assignments so you can get a really good feel for it? Now, the part where you have experience, meaning you've been doing readings for yourself or other family and friends, and you want to start doing this professionally, like maybe go to a fair and start charging, we could, if you wanted to, the very last session, however many sessions we have, we could talk about pricing, getting out of your way, and accepting payment for your gift that you're studying for. And it's also about confidence, because if you're uncertain of how to really convey the message, or if you're getting it right, and there are some telltale signs for your body that the angels will give you, and we'll cover that as well. And yes, this would be interactive, because it's not just me yak attacking. It is interactive because I want you, hey Terry, thank you. I want you to be able to ask questions and get familiar and get comfortable. Otherwise, there's no sense, right? So it's about helping you trust your intuition, trust the nudges that you're getting, the insights, and we'll even talk about client body language, because some of them are kind of testy, okay? All right, so in the comments, post angel or tarot, or just yes if you, I guess just yes if you want this. Because to me, it doesn't matter. Like I said, fairy cards, mermaids, dolphins, goddesses, ascended masters, angels, tarot. Not so much angel or archangel tarot cards, but the regular tarot like Rider-Waite or any of the other tarot cards. The angel tarot cards are very, very, very different. And that would require some study on your own, because the messages are completely different. So that, I think that's where I would draw the line. I do have 2 sets of Dorian Virtues Archangel Tarot cards, and I have not studied them. I've looked at them, I've kind of used them on myself a little bit, but they're so different that I have not ever used them for a reading. Okay, so any questions y'all have, post them in the comments as well. Oh, good, and your angels have told you to start charging, and you've been practicing. Excellent, excellent. So we can, for those who are interested, include a section on pricing and how to get started and how to get out of your own way and be comfortable accepting money for this gift that you have invested in, and practice. Okay, because a gift doesn't mean you have to give it away for free. Okay, I think we're done. Let me just check a second. I got the words. We are complete for now. All right, y'all. So either type in angel, tarot in the comments. You can type in yes if you're interested. And again, I don't know how many sessions yet. I don't know what the pricing will be, but we'll figure it out, okay? We'll figure it out. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. Oh, yes. Please share this, because there may be somebody you know or somebodies that you know, beautiful soul, that would be interested in this. We're not going to diss anybody that you've taken classes from or read books or anything. It is about, okay, where are you? And then we will... I do have an angel oracle deck, and those are nice as well. We can use those. It's just not the tarot, angel tarot decks. That we won't use. Okay, so it's taking you from where you are and helping you get to the next level in confidence. And it's also about opening up your intuitive channels of receiving guidance, okay? And helping tap into your clients, your friends' energy. All right, beautiful soul. Thank you so much. And let's see what happens next. Bye-bye for now.